My name is T. Abhishek. I am born and brought up in Hyderabad. Coming to my education qualifications, I am pursuing BTech Computer Science in CMR College of Engineering and Technology. I did my intermediate in Narayana Junior College with 82.8% at Kukatpally. I did my SSC in Sri Sai Grammar High School with 80.6%, and my areas of interest are programming, web designing, and learning new technologies. Coming to my family, my father name is T. Ravinder. He is working as a private employee, and my mother name is T. Dhanlakshmi. She is an housewife, and my brother name is Abhinav. He is doing intermediate in Pragati Junior College, and my strengths are being positive and patience in tough situations. I can easily adaptable in any environment, and my hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies and playing football. I am little bit quite good in communicating with others.